Hi guys, in this video I'm just going to create some free Halloween colouring pages for you guys. It's been a while. I will upload them to the website, which is christmaseverydayclub.com. This is it, and I will, let me just turn this off. We don't want the music on, do we guys? Get done for copyright. Yeah, so if you scroll down, it says colouring pages here, but if you click on this bit here where it says, well, it says colouring pages, but a smaller version, yeah, it will bring up all of them. Yeah, because it only shows like 6 of them there, but like different themes. So you've got like this Halloween one, which I'll probably put it on this one, guys. Actually, I'll add to this. Then you've got space ones, you've got your Christmas ones, you've got your 4th of July, Easter, Mother's Day. And then this one is like your generic one. It's if you click on it here, read more. Hopefully, yeah. So you got like your Under the Sea, yeah. Now if you click on these here, it'll automatically download. If you want the PDF version, you click on it, it'll download, yeah. So then you've got your Queen's Platinum Jubilee, which is quite popular. You've got books here if you want to buy them, but most of all this are free on this page. You've got your football, you might call it soccer, from the US. Yeah, again, PDF if you want that version. Some actual colouring books if you want to buy them, help the sport channel. Then we've got Cowboys in the Wild West. I know there's only a couple of them, guys, but I will be adding to them. These I'm just trying to get up a few different themes, so then you've got a selection. Yeah, you've got your donuts, you've got your unicorns, got farm animals, dinosaurs, I think, some more Queen Elizabeth ones, rest in peace. They're the last ones, guys, but I will be adding more to them as and when. I just thought I'd show you. So yeah, like I said, you come over to the christmaseverydayclub.com, and then you scroll down. But if you also, guys, if you scroll down, we've also got activity pages and printable party games. Yeah, so if you click on any of these, it'll open them up because it only shows like 1 or 2 of them. Yeah. Hope that makes it easy for you guys. But anyway, let's get into today's video. Don't want to drag this on. So today I'm going to go and do Halloween characters. So I'm going to like, I'm going to make them simple. Yeah. Hopefully you'll like them. So we'll just put him in there like that. So put that dude there. Right. Yeah, make him a bit smaller, just taking up half the page. I want him in front more. No, so his arms are in front. Make him a little bit bigger. Yeah, and then we'll have that dude behind. Can't have him that big, coming off page, won't he? Yeah, so he's centre there, but we'll push him at the back. Yeah, so then there. And that's it, there's one page already, yeah. So what we'll do now, we'll do some of these ones, werewolves, yeah. So we'll have that dude sat down, or girl or boy, I don't know if it's a girl or a boy to be fair. Well, it's a wolf, isn't it? Yeah, I'm funny. We'll have this dude, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip him. Yeah, so then kind of sat. Make it a bit smaller so it will fit on the page. Yeah? You can do that a smaller dude. We don't need to like go overboard and like take for ages doing it. Yeah, I kind of want that bigger. I want her at the back, kind of thing. Position backwards. Yeah. I don't know if I like that to be fair, guys. Shove this tree in it somewhere. push. We'll flip her as well, yeah? Kind of. Position her at the back. Yep. Put the tree kind of up there like that. Put all the position that at the back. Yeah. Not sure if I really like it. If I want to put its bond on, just to break up a bit of the whiteness. Yeah, yeah. I mean that can be it. So we've got the Frankenstein. Yeah, we've got the werewolves. What else can we do? Oh, we've got vampires, vampire girls. These are they? Yeah. I'll let that one at the top. Not too big though. Got it all there to there. Yep. Position in the back. It looks like it's hanging there. We will have. Dracula. And you just play around, guys. I'm just winging it, to be fair. Do that too. Kind of lost now, guys. Not sure what to do. I'll just delete that a minute. I kind of want this one. I like a bit good. In fact, I kind of like them bigger. Position backwards. And this one could be like a kid. Push it to the back. Put that there like that. Yeah, what I'm trying to do there, guys, is lift it a little bit so you can see a bit more of that kind of thing. Yeah, we'll leave that like that. What can we put on there? Should we put like a little bat on there? As if it's full. Yeah, wake its friend up in it. Yeah, so those are the ones, and then we've got some guy ones here. We'll have another bat hanging upside down. We'll have it a bit bigger than that though. Yeah, we'll have. Back kind of thing, so this little garlic, skirt of garlic, isn't there? So, love it there, so it's on the page. That's why they're all like freaking out, yeah, they're all scared. yeah, and we'll have that for that. What else can we have? We've got mummies and we've got devils. Yeah. We'll have these. Yeah, we'll have the devils. Yeah, so we'll have. The girl. We have the boy. Sat down kind of thing. Could be like the baby. And then we can have like mummy, baby, and then have the guy behind. I kind of like it when we put it like this. You know, when you put it behind, it just shows me back coming in from the side. I kind of like that. Oh, good or bad? Have a little girl as well. Yep. Try something out here, guys. Position it backwards. Nah, I don't like it. Pull this back. Right, we need to get something there because we don't want the white stuff on it. So, what could we have? See if it's what it's like at the back. Yeah, we could do. We could have this one as well. Put this one like on a bit of a slant. Position it backwards. Yeah, so that's it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we can. We'll do one more. We might as well do the mummies, yeah? Do the mummies. I don't know which one. This one here. Like. Got a little mummy boy. Feel like dancing, doesn't it? Yeah, I suppose so. Yeah, so that's it, guys. 6 colouring pages for you guys of Halloween characters. I know I didn't speak much through that, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and they will be free for you to download and enjoy. Yeah, don't forget to check out Christmas Everyday Club for lots more, and until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.